How you doing? I'm Barry from Barry's Auto Body. Today we're actually doing a video. This is part 2 of a video we did 3 months ago. And this is the second part on how to apply ceramic coating to your vehicle. The particular product that we were using was Black Pearl. Brite makes it. And we're going to go inside, we're going to look at it. This is 3 months later. I left my car dirty for you just so you could actually see it with the dirt on there. I usually don't keep my car like that, but I wanted to make sure in the video that you could actually see how it looks, you know, through normal wear and tear, driving the car around and everything. And we're also going to see, I'm going to wash the car inside. I'm going to show you different stages of the ceramic pearl and how it looks. So come inside. So now we're in the shop and we're going to check out how the ceramic coating looks on the car. Remember it was 3 months ago that this was done, and the car, purposely I left the car dirty for about 2 weeks. I haven't washed the car in 2 weeks. This car has been driving around New York City roads. There's construction on the way to my house every day, so it's driving through a lot of construction and debris, so you can see how dirty the car got within 2 weeks. And I just want to show the difference. If you look at it, we'll put the camera on the right side. This is basically the side that doesn't have the ceramic coating on it. And then on the left side, you can actually see the line here. You can see that line coming down. I don't know if the camera could see that, but there's the line. So this is the side that doesn't have the ceramic coating. This is the side that does have the ceramic coating. And you can see that there is a difference between the two, because this side, the black really comes out and the shine really comes out. This side, it doesn't. We're gonna wash right now. I'm gonna wash the car, and I wanna just show the difference on basically how the ceramic coating is. When you clean your car, you will notice a big difference every time you clean your car also, and that's when you're gonna see the best benefit on a nice clean car. See the difference also on this side, how the water doesn't really bead off like that side does. On the side of a fender, it's even a little bit better because the water will just travel right off. But you can see, you'll actually see it more once I wash it. If you look down the middle of it, you can see the difference between this side where the water's just stuck on top of the hood. This side, it beads up right away and the water it will run off. This particular car is a very flat hood, so the water kind of just beads up and stays there. Most cars do have a little bit more of a slant to it, and the water will run down a little bit more. Check it out. See the difference now too, how it's really beating off, because before the water was clumping up a little bit more just because the car was very dirty and it was kind of staying with the dirt. The water does bead right off. On the other side of the car that doesn't have the ceramic coating on it, the water's still just staying on the whole hood, which basically is this side just beads right off. This is going to help not to leave any streaks, any marks on it also. And it's going to be a lot easier to dry off also. This side that doesn't have the ceramic coating, you can see on this side, the water's still all on there. I mean, it's all right. Now I'm going to take a different microfiber towel, which it's a black car. You want to make sure it's a very, very soft microfiber towel. Don't buy the cheap stuff, you know, buy a nice microfiber towel to dry the car off. And you can, I mean, some people I've seen throw these out every time that they dry the car off. If you're only drying a car with it and, you know, the car's already clean, it should be anyway. We wash these a lot of times, you know, so I know some people say that you don't want to wash a microfiber, you just throw them out. You can wash them. I mean, if you do want to reuse it, if you're only drying the car, if you start getting dirt and things like that on it, then, you know, I would use a little common sense and just throw the thing away. But you can wash it a few times and keep using it. One thing I will say on the microfiber towels though, is you can wash it. When I say wash it, that's to dry the car off. If you're gonna wax a car, you wanna use a new one. You don't wanna use one that you washed off to wax a car. Alright, so we just finished up drying the car. If you look at both sides, I mean, this stuff actually is very nice. I like it a lot. You can see the shine on this side compared to the shine on the side that's not done. It's a huge, huge difference. You can see this happens to be a flat black car. It doesn't really have much metallic in it at all. There's a little bit of brown in the paint, but it's mostly black. And you can see it really brings like a deep shine out of the car. It's a very deep, deep black, which looks very nice. We'll go over here also. This is the fender. If you remember, we also ceramic coating from the last video. If you've watched it, we basically, from this line, we had it all taped off. The fender was done with the ceramic coat. You can see how nice the fender looks. The fender is probably the best example to show it on too, because the hood does have a couple paint imperfections, you know, little touch-ups that weren't done. The fender though, you really see the shine coming out, and you can see it all over the hood. I mean, this product is nice. The couple little mitts that I'd like to cut out, it's not magic. You know, you're not gonna put ceramic coating on your car and think you're putting a force field over it, or it's, you know, you're not gonna snap your fingers and then your car never gets dirty again. That doesn't happen. As you can see from the video in the beginning, you still have to clean the car, you still have to wax the car and do things like that. The ceramic coating, a couple things that it will do for you though, if somebody comes over, if you have somebody in the parking lot that tries to key your car up, it's not going to stop them if they really dig in there deep, but if you have somebody that just walks over quick, tries to key the car, it's going to help, you know, it's a deterrent to them, because as they go to key it up, it's not going to scratch in as easy. It's basically like a hardened version of the clear coat that you already have on your car. It will make it every time that you wax your car, and every time you wash your car, it's going to look better than it ever did. I mean, the shine is going to really come out. It's also, if you drive around, I know me on my way home, there's actually woods on this side of the car, on the right side of the car. So if you drive close to the woods and you get a couple trees or something that hit the side of it, it's going to help that also. But it's not magic. It's not, you know, it's not like you put it on one time, you never have to worry about the car ever again. It doesn't work that way. It's not what it's for. But the product, I mean, I really do like the product, and if you want your car to look showroom condition, this is definitely the product to get. All right, so thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe the video below. If there's any other videos that you want to see, if there's any topics that you want us to go over, please put them in the comments and we will try to get to them.